Hi guys, I'm so excited to share with you a website that I found. This website is called Grok Learning and it's an education website where it teaches programming, and the best thing is it's free. It's free till July. And while going through the materials that they are sharing online for free, I did find some very interesting courses they have. Okay, currently I'm selected beginners, for which I estimate are for kids that are about maybe 11, 12, 13 years old. They got lots of materials here. Okay, if I scroll through slowly, you can see them. But interesting one is at the bottom here. Like for example, this introduction to HTML, SQL. I learned SQL when I was in uni. Python. Okay, so these are not for the young kids, but maybe for the 11, 12, 13-year-old boys or girls. Kids that want to use this site to learn, they have to be independent because everything is self-learning, self-guided. Okay, let's have a look at what a course will look like. If I click on this one, this is HTML. There's 8 modules, and then these are the things that are teaching. What is HTML and CSS, HTML document structure list, blah blah blah. And then if you click on the course outline, it is a detailed breakdown of everything you have. Okay, so these are the things: paragraph headings, breaks, top level attributes, div elements. These are basically very detailed, very well thought of, curated content that anyone, even adults, can learn. If you want the basics of website, as well as HTML, this is the course you can take. Okay, let me go back and let me click and show you some other content that I think you guys might also enjoy. Okay, instead of doing the beginner ones, they are newbies, which are more suitable for young kids, maybe 9, 10, 11 years old. But if your son or your children are not independent and they cannot sit down for more than half an hour and do self-guided materials, this is not for them. You need a parent or a teacher to help them. Okay, let's have a look like intermediate. Intermediate, I reckon, are for maybe 13, 14 years old, 15 years old. Okay, and here you have image manipulation in Python, interactive web pages with JavaScript, uh, introduction to programming to Python, cybersecurity. These are high level courses. Okay, of course, if you have no background in programming, start with the beginner ones first and then go on to the intermediate ones. These subjects here are actually quite high level. In fact, some of the programmers that do websites, they may be good in HTML and CSS, but not at all in JavaScript, for example. Okay. All right. Let's see what courses that I am attending now. Okay. If I click on reason, I myself have signed up for cybersecurity. I think it's an interesting subject. I've also signed up for this blocky challenge where we will use JavaScript to program a game out. Okay. HTML, I don't need to learn this, but I just want to review the material, and I went through some of the pages. It's actually very detailed, very well done. Okay. Um, the content is okay. Let's go in and see the content. Maybe you guys will appreciate how it looks like if you look at the how it's laid out and everything. Okay, so if I have to start from the I have to start from the first page to show you guys. Okay, let me click that again. Okay, it will tell you, okay, you need to have this doc type HTML. No, it's got lots of reading. Like I said, the children have to be independent. Second page is saying this. Okay, so I need to copy this for the next page. Okay, just this is heading. This is the code dot HTML. Just says that this file is a HTML type code. H1 means header, size 1 or head or the biggest header. This is heading. Okay, and if we click next, every couple of sections there is a diamond shape thing, and the diamond shape things actually asks you tests you to see whether you been doing the right thing. Okay, so here if I were to do this code is wrong actually, but you can click the mark. There's a submit here, a submission, and it says here it's wrong, answer is wrong, and basically if it's wrong you cannot go on to the next section. So let me just paste the answer down. We need to have this hello world here, so let me just change this to hello world. Hello. Well, it has to be precise. And then if I submit now, mark, submit. First one I failed. Second time I'm marking now. Is it correct? Okay, says here, check. Great, good job, Eric. Right, so then you can proceed to the next section, and this is, like I said, very well curated. It's got a checking mechanism to ensure that you know what you're doing and you do understand what you have been reading before this. And there are many sections. If you look here, module 1 is so many, module 2 is down here, and it keeps going. For example, this module, I estimate HTML and CSS, if you are a decent programmer with some knowledge, it might take you maybe half an hour to do one module. You have 8 modules, that's a 4-hour lesson. Okay, if the child can just spend half an hour to an hour a day to do 1 to 2 modules, this will be a week's worth of work. Okay, so guys, if you're during this MCO, this lockdown, or this quarantine period, if you want your child to learn some programming, come to groklearning.com. Website is excellent, content is free until July. Ensure that your child is independent and he can do his own work. If not, you need a parent or a teacher to guide them. Please do share this video with your friends who you think will benefit from this website, and give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Thank you guys. Bye.